Hello friends, we have seen how to use Paint Bucket tool on our image. Now we will see how to use Eyedropper tool in Fireworks. If we like a color on any image, then we can take that color using Eyedropper tool and we use it using Paint Bucket tool. The Eyedropper tool allows you to pick up a sample color from anywhere on the canvas and use the Paint Bucket tool to fill that color somewhere else. Let's take an example how to work with the Eyedropper tool. For that, open an image. Let's take desert image. First, select the pointer tool and click on the image given on the window. It is by default selected. Just click on the image on which you want to use Eyedropper tool. Then click on the Eyedropper tool. On your toolbar, move the cursor on your image and click the Eyedropper tool on your image for using that particular color on your image or anywhere else. If you want to use this color, then just click on that particular area using Eyedropper tool. After that, examine the Paint Bucket fill icon in the colors toolbar. You can see here that this color is selected. If I select this color, then the color will be changed in color toolbar. If you want to this color, then it is further changed. It should now be the same color as the color you just click on. We use Eyedropper tool so that you can use that color on your image using Eyedropper tool with the help of Paint Bucket tool. Just select Paint Bucket tool and click on particular area. You can see the color is changed. Which is selected by the Eyedropper tool. We can also change the texture and edges as we seen earlier. And we can also change tolerance. We can also change pattern gradients of any type as we like. You can see the output on your image. Next portion will be covered on next tutorial. Thank you.